So hello guys, let's see how to create this beautiful pink, yellow, green cut crease eyeshadow. And as usual, I'm starting with preparing my skin and using the moisturizer, toner, CTMP means, and then I'll start with my eye makeup. I have built a base with a concealer and then packed with a powder. Now I'm starting with a fuchsia color. I have used a very small blending brush. This is from Bailey's, and you can take any small blending brush and just start putting that pink color in a eye shape, creating a false crease just below your eyebrow. And this is not a one step process. You will have to take time, and slowly, precisely, you will have to build this pink color and give a eye or arc shape just below your eyebrow. And sorry, and also this should be a partial arc shape, like not full arc shape. Then after defining this crease, just smudge the harsh lines of the crease using a lighter color than the color which you have used. For example, I used fuchsia color and then I used light pink to smudge the harsh lines. After this, now we will cut the crease. So for cutting the crease, here I have used this small concealer brush, and you will use a concealer to cut this crease. So very slowly, just take this brush with a concealer, keep adding the concealer and cutting the crease, and just push the brush downwards how I am doing it. This will help you creating a very fine crease line. Now the free space which is remaining below the crease line, so start adding this mustard color or mustard eyeshadow over your eyelid, and slowly and steadily building this eye shadow color, because it will take some time. It's a very big area left over. So keep adding this yellow mustard color or yellow color, and building it up. So be very sure while filling, or very attentive while filling the yellow or mustard color below the crease line, because you already cut the crease. And while filling this mustard color, be aware that the yellow color does not go on the pink side, otherwise your cut crease will not show, like look like a cut crease. And then what I did, just use a kohl or any gel kajal and just put it over your eyeliner and smudge it in a way that it gives an effect of a liner, but a smudge kind of liner, not a harsh line of a liner. And just smudge it, and we use this as a base, you can say, because over this black base we will be using the green color, because what you have seen in the final result is the dark green color or colored liner. So just smudge this black color, and now we will take the dark green color and keep adding this dark green color over the kajal which you have already smudged, and keep smudging it, adding it. And then what we did, just extend this green eyeshadow towards the inner outer corner of the eye, extend it bit more to give a, how to say, winged liner effect. And smudge this green color, because literally we will have to give the green color effect over the liner. So just smudge it to give a wing effect. And what we will do, after smudging it, we will leave it like this, and then use a mustard pigment to put over the mustard eyeshadow which we have already built up. So now this pigment, when you put on your lid area, it gives a illusion of a very big eye. So I feel adding a pigment over the lid area. So I'm using the mustard pigment over the lid area, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone with a pink highlighter, because ultimately I'm giving a pink effect on below the brow line. So I'll just use the pink highlighter, and for highlighting the inner corners, I use the mustard pigment which I used for the on the lid area, because my yellow color is bit extended towards the inner corner. So it is a very good choice to use a golden or a mustard pigment to highlight your inner corners. Then what I did, I just the wing which I created is quite thick, so I just cut this wing with a q-tip using any eye makeup remover or any cleanser, and just remove it and and sharpen it out and give a very fine wing liner effect, you know. And then after giving this wing liner effect, I use mascara. As usual, you can use mascara and just define your mascaras. And then what I did, I used a liner, a thin tip liner. For this I used the faces eyeliner. It has a very thin tip, fine tip. And just, you know, the wing which you have already created with the green color, just use this black liner and extend a thin line below the green line. You know why? Because when you will put your lashes, this will give a very nice impact, as you have already seen in my final eye look. So I did this, and then what I did, I used my falsies, the false lashes you can use, and it's up to you. You can use it, or else you can skip this step just using your mascara. And this is what the final look like. And then fill your waterline with the black kajal. And one thing which you have noticed is I have not used kajal on my lower lash line. So this is what I did to make it bit different from other eye shadows which I create. And this is my final look. You can complete with your base, your choice of lipsticks, your bindi, or any accessories which you want to use. And this is what the final look looks like. So hope you understand how to create this look, and thanks for watching. Let me know your comments if you have any other queries. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.